Hello everyone, my name is Marc Gilbert. Welcome to my C# Scripting in Unity Script Optimization course here at Pluralsight. We're a small consultancy dedicated to building games and applications for mobile platforms. No matter how good your game looks or how great the mechanics, performance is critical to its success. In this course, C# Scripting in Unity Script Optimization, you'll learn concepts and techniques that will help you avoid annoying slowdowns and hiccups that detract from your game and cost you players. You'll begin by examining some of the reasons behind poorly performing code and be introduced to a logical and time-tested approach to uncovering them in your own projects. From there, you'll take a deep dive into the Unity Profiler, learning not only what it is and how to use it, but how to tailor what it displays to help you zero in on code-related bottlenecks. Then you'll learn strategies and techniques to use to address these bottlenecks when you do encounter them, or even better, prevent them from occurring in the first place. Finally, you'll explore and implement object pooling and see how incorporating it into your design can make the difference between success and failure. By the end of this course, you'll have the knowledge and skills required to troubleshoot and avoid scripting bottlenecks and deliver games that are both fun and performant. I hope you'll join me as we explore these concepts and more in my C# Scripting in Unity Script Optimization course here at Pluralsight.